In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle guides, grid, and smart guides in PowerPoint. If you've ever felt like your shapes, images, or text boxes never sit quite right on a slide, this is going to make your life easier. We'll start in the View tab on the ribbon, because that's where all the alignment helpers live. Look for the section labeled Show. Here you'll find three options you can turn on or off at any time: Guides, Grid lines, and Smart Guides. Turn on Guides to reveal a pair of thin reference lines, one horizontal and one vertical, that help you position objects in relation to the center of the slide and to each other. Switch on Grid lines to display a subtle grid that gives you precise placement across the entire canvas. This is especially helpful when you're building complex layouts or repeating elements. Smart Guides work a little differently. They appear automatically as you move objects, showing you when edges or centers align with other items. They're dynamic and don't clutter your slide when you're not moving anything, which makes them great for quick, relative alignment. For more control, go a bit deeper into the settings. Still on the View tab, open the drop-down and choose Grid and Guides near the bottom. This brings up options that let you fine-tune how alignment behaves. You can adjust the grid spacing to make the grid tighter or looser, depending on how precise you want to be. You can also enable Snap to Grid, which gently pulls objects to the nearest grid line as you move them, making consistent spacing much easier. And if you like having visible reference lines, you can choose to show drawing guides on the screen so they're always available while you work. Once these are set, try moving, dragging, or aligning your objects with the guides and grid lines turned on. As you drag, watch for the Smart Guides to appear. They'll tell you when the edges, centers, or midpoints line up with other elements. This visual feedback is a simple way to get professional, consistent alignment without eyeballing. If you need more reference lines, you can add them quickly. Right-click on an existing guide and choose Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide. Extra guides are handy for creating columns, margins, or custom alignment zones for your layout, and you can keep them on as long as you need. That's it. With guides, grid lines, and Smart Guides set up, you'll place objects faster, align them more cleanly, and keep your slides looking polished and consistent.